Hello everyone. In this quick demo, I'll show you how to turn your Figma variables into development-ready tokens using Figma MCP and Cursor. Let's get started. Here's my Figma file. I've already set up a few variable collections: brand, primitives, color, and typography. And each collection has proper groupings inside it. I'll also show you the prompts I'm using in Cursor so you can reuse them later. With the first prompt, I'm asking Cursor to understand the Figma file and its variable structure. I paste the prompt, add the Figma link, and hit Enter. Cursor then reads the file, understands all the collections, groupings, and connections, and generates a summary plus a base token structure for us. In the next prompt, I ask Cursor to clean up and refine these base tokens into a proper, well-structured token system that we can reuse later when building components. It follows a clear, consistent naming pattern and mirrors the same hierarchy we set up in Figma. It also organizes everything into groups for colors, typography, brand, and primitives, and uses the fonts from our shared folder. In short, Cursor sharpens the token names and the relationships between the brand, primitive, color, and typography tokens, so the whole system is much easier to work with. Now that we have a solid token structure in place, we can move on to creating a simple button component using those tokens. In our third prompt, I ask Cursor to use the existing design tokens to build the button component in HTML and CS. I paste the button prompt along with the Figma button component link as a visual reference. I also mentioned that it should include all the different states and variants, like primary, hover, focus, and disabled, based on how they're defined in Figma. Cursor then sets up a simple test or preview page where we can see and interact with the buttons and quickly check if the implementation matches the Figma design. We can now test the button in the browser. Cursor has implemented the click and hover states according to our token structure and interactions. This is just a small experiment, but you can extend the same workflow to more components and larger projects.